I discovered that it was not just like a Eureka moment. It came suddenly, and I found something very interesting. When I look at it, it seems that it was germinating in my mind for years. Probably way back when I was going to my father's clinic in PGI Chandigarh, and I was watching all these things happening, patients coming, misery, diseases, problems. Probably it is then that it started taking shape. And then my formal education in formal, very serious pharmaceutical sciences kind of firmed it up. And then in my general management roles and senior management roles, when I was interacting with all kinds of professionals connected with healthcare, I discovered that we have still not reached a stage where we can actually call ourselves as a stable healthcare community where we are able to take care of most of the issues. I discovered that we have certain islands of excellence. We are making progress in diverse fields. We have some beautiful hospitals, we have some beautiful pharma organizations, some beautiful diagnostics. And even abroad, when we talk about the best of the best, all these entities, all these people, all the fraternity, they are working hard, doing good work, but are still not able to actually alleviate the health issues. And if you will agree, this COVID situation has actually confirmed that belief. We were found on wrong foot, we were found wanting. So the idea was, as I understood it, it was about lack of healthcare than actually being the other way, and the problem was much bigger. And I thought that if it needs to be solved, it's like if the mountain is very big and it needs to be broken into smaller pieces, you need many hands, many people to do it. And similarly, healthcare piece needed to be fixed by people who are already there in healthcare. And who all are there? I will have to delimit myself into thinking about all kinds of pathies. It's not just one particular pathy, all the pathies, all the specializations, all the streams, all the fields, all the sciences. And when all of them come together, commonsensically thinking, it is then that this piece will be resolved faster. So that was the broader idea of bringing them together and making them interact meaningfully, keeping aside all the respective egos. You understand what I mean? And then somehow find out solutions which are meaningful, effective, cost effective, faster, earlier, so that we can move ahead in that journey. So that was the broad piece on idea. So it developed into this kind of a platform which we call today as a 360-degree healthcare market network.